In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Pepperstone to Metatrader 5. By the end, you'll be confidently logged in and ready to trade without any guesswork. Before we begin, make sure you have a Pepperstone account and access to Metatrader 5 on your computer. If you're brand new, that's fine, just follow along. First, head to Pepperstone's website. If you haven't registered yet, complete the sign-up process for either a live or demo account. After registration, Pepperstone will provide 3 essentials: your trading login, your password, and the correct server name. Keep these credentials safe and handy. You'll need them in a moment. Note that the server name must match your account type, such as a demo or live server, and using the wrong one is a common reason connections fail. Now open Metatrader 5. Give it a moment to load and look for the Navigator panel on the left side. Inside Navigator, you'll see a section called Accounts. Click on Accounts to highlight it. Next, right-click on Accounts to open the context menu. This is where you'll add your Pepperstone account to MT5. From that menu, choose Open an Account. A new window will appear that lists available brokers and servers. Click Next to proceed. MT5 will search for server options. If Pepperstone servers appear, you're in the right place. If you see multiple entries, choose the one that matches what Pepperstone sent you. Accuracy here matters, as the server dictates where MT5 tries to authenticate your login. On the next screen, choose Connect with an existing trade account. This tells MT5 that you already have credentials and just want to sign in, rather than creating a new demo account from inside the platform. Now enter your login exactly as provided, without spaces or extra characters. Then type your password carefully, remembering that it's case sensitive. Finally, choose the server from the drop-down that matches your Pepperstone details. Double-check the server selection one more time before continuing. Mixing live and demo servers won't work. When everything looks correct, confirm to connect. If the details are correct, MT5 will log you in and you'll see your account appear under Accounts in the Navigator, along with a green connection status in the lower right corner of the platform. Quotes should begin updating, and you'll be able to open charts and place orders as usual. If the connection fails, recheck your login, password, and server, and ensure there are no extra spaces when copying and pasting. That's it. Your Pepperstone account is now connected to Metatrader 5. Save your credentials securely, and you're ready to trade with confidence.